I took a stroll on the old long walk of the day. I met a little girl and we stopped to talk on a fine soft day. And I asked her friend, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair is black and her eyes are blue. And I knew right then I've been taking a whirl around a Sawtill prom with a Galway girl. We're halfway there when the rain came down on the day. She asked me up to her flat downtown on a fine soft day. And I asked your friend, what's a fella do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes are blue. I took her hand and I gave her a twirl. Oh, and I lost my heart to a Galway girl. When I woke up, I was all alone with a broken heart and a ticket home. And I ask you now, tell me what would you do? If her hair's black and her eyes are blue. 'Cause I traveled around, I've been all over this world. Boys, I ain't never seen nothing like a Galway girl.
Oh, believe it or believe it not, I love me Juggernaut. I've been all over Ireland to the north, I've seen the lost. I'm hauling great big bales of hay, I'm heading for Mayo. With potholes all through Cavanagh, sure I have to drive so slow. In the morning I'm up early on the road at 5:30. The air is fresh and crispy, boys, it's great to be alive. I'm all in behind the crawler, put me foot down on the gas. But the roads are too bumpy for me Juggernaut to pass. Oh, believe it or believe it not, I love me Juggernaut. I've been all over Ireland to the north, I've seen the last. I'm hauling great big bales of hay, I'm heading for Mayo. With potholes all through Cavan, sure I have to drive so slow.
Breaker, breaker, I'm looking for a copy.
10-4, this is Big Rich, come back.
Ah, this is your old pal Johnny.
Ah, Johnny, what's your 20?
I'm in the county Offaly and I'm awfully sorry now. I broke the mirrors off me cab, I'd like to tell you how. With skunks, bows and bushes rubbing off me load. I wish the county council would trim along the road.
Oh, believe it or believe it not, I love me Juggernaut. I've been all over Ireland to the north, I've seen the last. I'm hauling great big bales of hay, I'm heading for Mayo. With potholes all through Cavan, sure I have to drive so slow. Come back, Johnny, come back.
Some people call us juggernauts, Arctics or big trucks. Some people even give us horrid dirty looks. I know you've got your reasons sometimes for to frown, but you ever try to drive a Scania through your town?
north, I've seen the lost. I'm hauling great big bales of hay, I'm heading for Mayo. With potholes all through Cavan, sure I have to drive so slow. Stay with her, Johnny, stay with her.
That's right, that's the truth. River on the corners.
And face her for Mount Leinster.
I know I swing me Volvo all around your market square. I know that you think lorry drivers, we just don't care. The streets are so narrow, built so many years ago. They were built for horses, cars, not juggernauts, you know.
Oh, believe it or believe it not, I love me Juggernauts. I've been all over Ireland to the north, I've seen the lost. I'm hauling great big bales of hay, I'm heading for Mayo. With potholes all through Cavan, sure I have to drive so slow. Come back, Johnny, come back, we'll leave the last one to you.
I'm in the county awfully and I'm awfully sorry now. I broke the mirrors off me cap, I'd like to tell you how. With scalps, bows and bushes the council will not cut. When I get back to the depot, the boss will do his